blueberry mint. This is gonna be quick and easy. Therefore, this is just part one of the video. Here's my mint. You see, I have this problem where I buy my ingredients too far ahead of time. Like way before I actually need them. Kind of mess up a little bit. So I'm gonna soak those in sanitizer. I am going to take a gravity reading. We'll see where this baby is at. I'm gonna leave the blueberries that are already in there. This is so pretty. God, it's like purple right now. 1, 0, 0, baby. Yes. Oh, I kind of want to taste it just to see. It's only been a week, but I'm like, how is it though? This here is a potato masher. This is still slightly frozen. I'm gonna mash my blues. I have about 2 pounds in here. And I'm just gonna crush them up. All right, blueberries are, I don't know, fairly smushed. Last thing here is the mint leaves. Supposed to like bruise them, I think, usually. Ooh, that smells good. Just taking off kind of like the dead looking leaves since this was starting to wilt a bit. Obviously, the fresher, the better. So, I mean, that's why I really don't know how much mint I'm gonna pull out of these leaves. And I'm just gonna leave them so their little butts are poking up out of the blueberries. I'm not gonna use this one. I think it's a little too wilted. All right, so I will post a photo here. This is what it looks like with the little stems. The stems are poking up, not their butts. I don't know, butts is more fun to say than stems anyway. And that's it. I'm gonna close this up, put my airlock back in it, call it good. So I'll just continue on this video to part 3, and then I will rack out of this into a vessel and let it sit. So I will see you again soon. Transition. Here we are again with the blueberry mint. It has been a little under 2 weeks since adding the rest of the blueberries and mint. And I did add some extra mint. I just kind of, you know, stuck it in there about a week ago, I think. It's fine. I mean, everything's gonna come out, and I'm going to rack into just a glass carboy. That's what I'm doing today. Okay, first off, I'm gonna pull a bunch of this fruit out because there's a lot of it. I smushed a bunch. Obviously not all of them got busted, but whatever. Some of these blueberries have been in here for almost 3 weeks now. That first initial pound of blueberries, I forget how much it was. I wrote it down. I almost feel like I should have gotten my crushy thingy for all this fruit. There's so much of it. Okay. Well, there's still some berries floating around in here, but this is the bulk of it. Well, I'm gonna rack. I'm not gonna show it. Yes, I know, I need to get a smaller racking cane. I haven't been in the brewing shop in a while. I really need to go in there, so next time I go, I'm gonna buy one, I promise. It's kind of a lot using this massive cane every time. And I don't really care if I pick up lease. This doesn't look all that clear to me. Wow, that is like just enough room. Well, at least no more fermentation is gonna happen. Look at that. Ooh, golly. This is beautiful. Like, look at this. Yeah, there's not really a need to test the gravity because I left it at 1. There was fermentation, of course, that happened with the blueberries. I mean, that's just what's gonna happen when you add fruit. So, you know, the points that it added are negligible. I think no matter what, this mead is right around 5% ABV, which is probably, I mean, that's not bad for a session. I feel like most people push their session meads into like between 5 and 7 a little bit more. But hey, you know, I'm experimenting. It's my first time doing this, so we'll see how it comes out, you know? And it is sparkling. It's meant to be sparkling. So I do want this to be dry so that when I back sweeten it, it is nice and fizzy. Oh, actually I wanted to try it. I think I just got water all over my glasses. Wow, you can really smell the mint. The mint is like very present, although I did put quite a bit in there because I wasn't really sure how much to add. Whoa, ooh, oh, it's nice. Oh, it's nice. Oh, wow. Oh, hang on. I need a little bit more of that. Let me see. I need a proper, just a little bit though. The blueberry is like, it's a little bit more subtle, which surprises me. I think because of the amount that I put in. I think what I would do next time, maybe use a blueberry juice, like a concentrated blueberry, and use just enough and add some honey, probably make it a little bit of a higher ABV. Because the blueberry is kind of subtle right now. Anyways, of course, as we all know, with mead, flavors change, but the mint is actually really lovely. Like, it's not overpowering. It's really nice. So I am very interested to see what happens here. I'm a little disappointed it's just a little bit more blueberry-ish. Yeah, I added right around 3 pounds of blueberries. So you would think I'd get just a little bit more. I mean, if I used a crushy thingy, sure, I could crush a little bit more blueberry juice. I don't know how much blueberry flavor I would extract by doing that though, considering it's been in here for such a long period of time. But regardless, I think this is gonna make a really nice sparkly drink. It might be more reminiscent of like a seltzer. I feel like, maybe, I don't know, it's all guesswork. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I guess in the next video will be the racking and bottling. Stay tuned for that. I'm hopeful. I'm pretty excited. I think this is gonna work out. I hope. All right, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for your comments and everything. I really appreciate you. We'll see you next time. Bye.